This is how to open computer management from CMD. Press Windows R to open the run command. On the run command, go ahead and type CMD and then click on OK. Now go ahead and type this particular command, which is compmgmt.sc. So compmgmt.sc and click on enter. Now this is going to open the computer management for you, which is very easy. Alternatively, to open computer management on your PC, repeat Windows R to open the run command. So you simply need to go ahead and type compmgmt.sc and then click on OK. Then you should see your computer management page open. So that is the two ways you can use to open computer management using command prompt. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.